Harri Hermanni Holkeri, Finnish pronunciation, ʻhärmänఃi Holkeri, 6 January 1937 – 7 August 2011, was a Finnish statesman representing the National Coalition Party of Finland, Kokoomus Samlingspartiet. He was the Prime Minister of Finland 1987–1991, Speaker of the UN General Assembly 2000–2001, and headed the United Nations Interim Administration Mission in Kosovo from 2003–2004, leaving the position in the spring of the second year because of health issues. Domestic offices. Harri Holkeri was member of the Board of Directors of the Bank of Finland from 1978–1997 and candidated in the president elections of 1982 and 1988. He also served as a member of parliament from 1970 to 1978 and as the chairman of the National Coalition, Conservative, Party from 1971 to 1979. On 1 July 1991 he made the world's first GSM call. The historic call used Nokia gear on GSM's original 900 MHz band. Legacy. He chaired the United Nations General Assembly, 2000–2001. He also played a constructive role in securing the Good Friday Agreement in Northern Ireland. Cabinets. Holkeri Cabinet. Honours and awards. Domestic. Holkeri was awarded the highest Finnish honorary title of Councillor of State in 1998 by the President of Finland Martti Ahtisaari. Foreign. Holkeri's efforts in Northern Ireland were rewarded with an honorary KBE from Queen Elizabeth II of the United Kingdom. References.